Okay, so here's the warm-up from yesterday, right? Here's your main question. -4 is greater than 4. And then you have all of your options. 3, -3, 4, -4, 4.1, and -4.1. Right? So the big question here is which of these can be x, right? So you're going to plug in or substitute those numbers for x. All right, now the other big thing to keep in mind is that this is negative. All right, so you need to remember your rules for integers or negative and positive numbers, right? Remember that this negative means that it's negative times x, right? Negative times x and then negative x are the same thing, right? Because a negative times x is just negative x. Now, that means that whatever number is going to be plugged in is going to be multiplied by a negative, right? So let's say then that I have to plug in that 3, right? I have negative times 3. That gives me a -3. Is -3 greater than 4? No, right? It's like way less. So this is incorrect. Now, what about that -3? I have negative times -3. All right, well, negative times negative is what? Positive, right? So then I have +3. Right, +3 is still not greater than 4, but we're a lot closer, right? So let's jump to that -4. Now that we know that negative times negative is positive, right? I have negative times -4. Negative times negative is positive, so I have +4. Now, +4 is still not greater than 4, right? That's equal to. So that's still wrong. So the only option I really have left, the only other negative number that I have here is -4.1. So let's try that, right? Don't let the decimal distract you or scare you, right? I have that negative times x. In this case, x is -4.1. Right? Negative times negative is positive, right? Just like you guys all know. So now I have a positive 4.1, right? Is 4.1 greater than 4? Yeah, right? It's greater than 4 by 0.1. So that's our answer, which a lot of you actually got, so pretty good job.